Trailer lights are essential for towing safely and legally, but they can sometimes break or wear out over time. When this happens, it's crucial to replace them quickly to ensure your trailer remains visible and functional. The CURT Replacement Side Lens is the perfect solution to keep your trailer lights working at their best. This lens is designed specifically to replace the side lens in CURT combination trailer lights number 53440 and number 53441. Made of durable red plastic, it offers both longevity and visibility, meeting the required standards for reflectors and markers. This replacement lens is easy to install, attaching securely to the side of the taillight with just 2 screws. It exceeds DOT requirements for reflectors and markers, ensuring your trailer stays compliant with road safety regulations. Whether you're towing your equipment to a job site, taking your boat to the water, or simply heading out for a road trip, having functional trailer lights is essential for your safety and the safety of others on the road. With its high-quality red molded construction, this lens provides the right amount of brightness and reflectivity to keep your trailer lights shining brightly. It's a reliable, cost-effective replacement for damaged or worn-out lenses, offering a durable and easy-to-install solution. Customers have found it to be compatible with most lighting manufacturers, making it a versatile and dependable option for your trailer lighting needs. Whether you're replacing a broken lens or upgrading your current lighting setup, the CURT Replacement Side Lens offers the perfect combination of performance, durability, and ease of use. Keep your trailer lighting in top condition and ensure you stay visible and safe on the road with this high-quality replacement lens. Click the link in the video description to purchase this replacement lens today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great product recommendations.